Imagine a thriving local cafe chain that's beloved in its community, but almost invisible to the world's most powerful AI systems. That's the reality for Tamanta, an Indonesian coffee brand with a strong presence in Jakarta's neighborhoods. While Gemini Google's AI recognizes Tamanta for its signature drinks and community vibe, ChatGPT and Claude draw a complete blank. This isn't because Tamanta lacks quality or customers, it's a language and market gap. The brand's story, menu, and mission are all in Bahasa Indonesia, so English-focused AIs simply don't see it. This scene sets the stage for understanding how digital visibility isn't just about being online, it's about being indexed in the right language and platforms. Let's break down how different AI models perceive Tamanta. Gemini, trained on Indonesian sources, knows Tamanta as a friendly, affordable cafe with a popular drink called East Tea Manta, and a tagline celebrating the friendship between espresso and milk. It even knows their go-food partnerships and local pricing. But ChatGPT and Claude, which rely heavily on English language data, don't recognize Tamanta at all. ChatGPT mistakenly assumes it's a tech company while Claude refuses to guess. This disconnect means that for global recommendations, reviews, or comparisons, Tamanta simply doesn't exist. The issue isn't with the brand, it's with the data these AIs are trained on. How can Tamanta become visible to global AI systems? The answer is creating English language content. By adding an English section to their website, launching a LinkedIn page, and getting featured in English F&B publications, Tamanta can ensure that ChatGPT and Claude finally recognize them as a real cafe brand. This isn't just about translation. It's about telling Tamanta's story in a way that fits the platforms and languages these AIs understand. With the right content strategy, Tamanta can move from invisible to recommended, opening up new opportunities for growth and recognition far beyond Indonesia. Tamanta's story is a wake-up call for any regional brand aiming for global reach. The gap isn't about product quality or customer love, it's about being seen by the systems that power today's digital recommendations. By bridging the language and market gap, Tamanta can claim its place among Indonesia's top coffee chains, not just in local hearts but in the world's most influential AI-driven platforms. The journey from invisible to visible starts with a single step: telling your story in the language the world's AIs understand.